Good morning, this is your National Weather Service here in San Angelo, Texas, and this is the daily weather briefing for Friday, October 27th. Now, rain chances do return today. We are going to see a cold front move south into our area and stall over the Concho Valley heartland regions. Areas north of this front will see cooler high temperatures with highs in the upper 60s and lower 70s. And south of the front, we're going to see highs in the low to mid 80s. Now, along this front, we could see isolated to scattered thunderstorms this afternoon. And then as we go into tonight, rain chances increase and we'll likely see storms all across the area. So with these storms, we could see some localized flooding of an inch or two, especially with the saturated soils from the previous rain that we've had the past few days. Now, we are expecting much colder temperatures next week. A very strong cold front is expected to move through on Sunday, dropping temperatures significantly from the 70s and 80s into the 30s and 40s. We do have the chance for our first freeze of the season with likely chances, greater than 70% chance for much of the area that we will drop to 32 or below. And then behind the front, we are expecting pretty gusty winds, 20 to 25 miles per hour with gusts to 30 to 35. And with that, it is going to drive our wind chills down, with wind chills in the low 20s on Monday and possibly Wednesday, with some areas possibly getting into the teens. Now, since this is our first freeze of the season possibly, we want to remind people to protect those sensitive plants, dress in lightweight, warm layers, and to bring those pets indoors. Now, looking at the 5-day outlook, we do have that cold front moving through on Sunday, and with that, we do have pretty good rain chances, about 60 to 90% for much of the day. And then on Monday, those rain chances linger, with highs in the upper 30s to mid 40s, and then lows overnight Monday into Tuesday getting into the upper 20s to mid 30s, and then Tuesday into Wednesday, upper 20s to low 30s. So it is going to remain pretty chilly for the long term, with rain chances decreasing as we go into mid next week. Now, looking at the specifics for Halloween, we are going to see those cooler temperatures. So in the evening, seeing temperatures in the upper 40s to low 50s, and then seeing those drop into the upper 30s to low 40s as we get around 10 p.m. And then we are expecting winds around 10 miles per hour, gusting to 20, so those could drive those apparent temperatures and wind chills down into the mid and upper 30s. So just make sure that you're taking the necessary precautions with those cooler temperatures. That is it for the daily weather briefing. Have a good day.